In our previous lesson, we have learned that the total energy during a physical or a chemical process is conserved. That essentially means energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. Sounds like a mind-boggling statement, right? Because if energy can never be destroyed, then why would we insist to save energy? What is this energy fuss about? We should have no worries related to energy. But on the contrary, we always insist to save energy. If energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, we should have no worries. We should be able to perform endless activities without thinking about energy resources. This riddle can be solved if we recall what else we learned about energy. Energy comes in different forms, and one form can be converted into another. For example, if we drop a plate from a height, the potential energy of the plate is converted into sound energy when it hits the ground. Or if we light a candle, the process is highly exothermic. The chemical energy of the wax is converted into heat energy and light energy on burning. The total energy during a physical or a chemical process remains the same. In any example we consider, we will see that the energy in the usable form is dissipated to the surroundings in less usable forms. Hence, any source of energy we use to do work is consumed and cannot be used again. So, now I guess it is clear that why we always insist to conserve energy. We also know that energy can be converted into useful forms with the help of a source. Yet, we were discussing about energy, its usable forms, and also we have discussed about conservation of energy. What can then be a good source of energy? Let's find out. We in our daily life use energy from various sources. For example, we use petrol or diesel to run a vehicle. We use electricity to light our street lamps, or even we use our muscular energy for doing physical work. Now, let's do a small activity to make it very clear. Just list 4 forms of energy that you use from morning till you reach the school. You may use muscular energy for carrying out various physical work, chemical energy for cooking food or running a vehicle, electrical energy for running various appliances. All come from some source, right? But what we need to know is, how do we select the source for obtaining the energy in its usable form? For example, what fuel we should use to cook food or to run a vehicle? But on what factors we select a good source of energy for our daily use? Well, we would then say that a good source of energy would be one which would do large amount of work per unit volume or mass, which is easily accessible, which is easy to store and transport. Perhaps the most important, it should be economical. Here, in this lesson, we have discussed about what is a good source of energy. A good source of energy will do a large amount of work per unit volume or mass. It will be easy to access and easy to store and transport. And the most important, it should be economical.